Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and crude oil from 20 till 21 July. So let's begin. We are currently on an 4 hourly chart. Here we can draw a support trend line for the gold. That would be some around like this. Here we are expecting more bullish movement in the market for the gold due to the unlimited flow of stimulus packages, and the US is currently announcing its fifth stimulus package in order to combat the COVID-19, due to which the money supply in the market would increase. For the money supply of the dollar would increase, however the demand would remain constant, devaluing the dollar, and we can see an appreciation in the prices for the gold. We can either see an higher high move breaking this key resistance, from which we have seen that the market have been bouncing off around quite a time, such some around here we have seen the market as bounces off once again here, and currently we are testing it. If we see that the 4 hourly candle closed above it, then we can go for an long position on a retest towards this resistance zone, turning into a support. However, it will be an ideal to wait for 1 day chart, 1 day candle to close above this resistance zone, then a long position can be executed. Or we can either see a retest towards the support, that would be a great area to go long, some around 1808, with our take profit of 1329, with our final take profit of 1334, with our stop losses just placed below the support trend line, some around 1792. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.46. However, in another scenario, if we do not see a test, if we do not see a retest towards the support, rather we see a breakout upwards on a 4 hourly or a daily chart, thus we will go for a long position on and pull back towards the resistance, turning into a support, with our same stop loss from around 1792, with our same take profit of some around 1836. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. However, in another scenario, rather we do not see a retest from the support or a break of this major resistance, rather we see a breakdown downwards, breaking this support trend line. Thus we will not trigger any sale position, as we are expecting for the gold to be bullish, and we can see fake breakouts. Thus we will not go for a short position, as it will be a trap. Coming on the crude oil on a 4 hourly chart, here we have suggest we can go for a long position on the Thursday, some around 41, with our take profit of here, as we predicted the move followed our prediction and we hit our take profit today. And we have seen a bearish move in the crude oil due to the fact that the Chinese has seen a reduction in their demand for the crude oil due to the recent flood which have been in the China, due to which the consumption or the factories have been locked down. And first factor for the demand reducing is the lockdown, and the second factor is the flood, due to which the China has seen an shrink in the demand for the petroleum products. Now we are expecting a bullish move for the crude oil, either breaking this resistance zone, then we can expect a retest towards the support, or we can see a break out from an higher high. Thus for the crude oil, we will be going long some around here, with a final first take profit of this resistance zone and a final take profit of this resistance zone, and our entry trigger point would be some around 40.24, with our first take profit of here, with our stop loss is just placed some around 40. some around 38.99 with our take profit of this resistance zone. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:0.53. However, our final take profit will cover our this loss, which would be some around 1.74. In total, our extra reward would be 2:2. Thus, we are looking for long opportunities. However, if we see a breakdown downwards on an 4-hourly or an 1-day chart, thus we will wait for the market to retest this support zone, turning into a resistance, and we will trigger a short position some around here with our stop losses just placed above the resistance with our take profit of this support zone. As mentioned in the previous, we have seen that this resistance has acted as both as in support and as in resistance. Thus, we are bullish for the gold, and same goes for the crude oil. And if you do like the video, do like, share and comment below. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.